Hey guys, how are you? All right. Well, let's jump right on into this. This is basically going to let you guys know how to generate traffic and leads, signing up people, at least 5 people a day into your business, and all free traffic, free leads. So what you're going to need to do is when you come into the group, you want to go over to the files, click on this files here. All right, you're gonna look for something that says U.S. free U.S. classified ads. Okay, click on that, and what's going to happen is it's going to allow you to download it. Um, and when you can download it. Right there, it is. It's going to look like this. Okay, I added a couple more on here, and I'm gonna keep on adding as I uh, learn more about the this unique, wonderful business that we have. Um, But if you notice at the top, it says Craigslist. Now, you can definitely get leads from Craigslist by posting your ads, but sometimes people get upset and they try to say bad things about your ads and they'll flag your ads. When they flag it, uh, Craigslist will take that ad down, okay? And you won't be able to see it, okay? So be careful about, how many times you post and what you may post. Just be very careful about when you post in Craigslist. Now, if you see the third one, it says back page. Now, Backpage is definitely good for generating traffic, free leads, people that's interested in your opportunity. Um, but what you want to do, what they have is what they call ghosting. And when you post, you will be able to see it, but nobody else will be able to see it if somebody reports you or say something negative about you and your ad or whatever success you're having. They're upset. Okay, so you want to be careful about that. Now, this one is probably the most best one because you don't have to worry about anybody complaining or reporting your ad or you having too much success or anything like that. It's called Quick Ads. Let's go out here really quick here, show you what Quick Ads look like. And we're going to run through this. Now, the good thing about Quick Ads, you do not have to register to make an ad or post an ad. It's absolutely free also, okay? You can actually post as many times as you feel like posting out here. No problem. How to do this? Well, you go here at this free post a free ad, income opportunities. Any one of these will do. Okay, so let's go to business opportunity. We would actually put in an ad here, a title, right, and then you would put whatever your ad is here, right, and then your email address. I would leave that open so they can contact you by email. You can put a bonus, whatever type of income. That's optional. Price is optional. Phone number. I would not put my phone number on here, but it's, if you have a business phone, maybe, possibly, or there's some free apps out there that makes your phone number look totally different from what your actual number is. So that protects you against uh, anybody calling you at all times of the night or anything like that. So your contact name, right? Your company's name, no address here because we have digital products or digital services, right? Um, and then I would not put anything there. Here you could actually add an ad, like we've seen at the top before we came to this, and then you could actually link that in there, and then they can click on there, and they can go right out to your landing page where they can put in their information, name, and email, and they can actually see a video of what you've got to offer. Okay, here is where we get into the paying. It pays by PayPal. That's a good thing. They will advertise it for 60 days, only $4. Okay, so that's less than $1 a month, a dollar and a quarter, dollar and a quarter a month to run your ads for 60 days. That's not bad at all. This one, you add $3 to it, they'll bump the ad every 5 days. Okay, and this is all optional. And 60 days, they will make it urgent, so they will raise your ad above everybody else's ad, meaning yours is the top that everybody sees. Okay, now I think it's a total of $14. They will do that for 60 days. It's not bad. So I will go ahead and continue. Fill out. You forgot to fill out the form, is what it's telling me. So pretty much that's the gist of it. You go to the next one, and then it actually posts that out there wherever you want to post it. Texas, New York, any other place you want to post it. Okay. Now, what I want to show you is this. Now, this is a way that you can get unlimited leads. Okay, unlimited leads without ever getting flagged. And this will definitely get you to where you want to get to in a fast pace. So let's go out to Craigslist and let's just say, hey, look, this is called using the resume part of it. So let's go out to Texas here, and we'll say Houston. And what we'll do is come down here to resume. Now in resume here, you want to type in sales, right? Okay, now look at this. All these sales positions pop up. Okay, these are people that are looking for commission-based projects that they can work on and make a big, huge commissions, right? So you click on here. Now what you want to do is watch out for this here, where it says recruiters, please don't contact this job poster. Do not reach out to this guy. He's basically saying, hey, look, I don't want you, calling me. Now, you guys are recruiters, so that's basically what you are, as a recruiter. Okay. Now, if you wanted to send this guy, we're not going to send him. So let's back out. Let's go here. Okay. He's also saying no recruiting, no recruiters. Now this guy's open. Okay. He says the sales department is the lifeblood of the business. All right. So what you would do is click on this reply, and then you would actually click on right here where it says reply by email, which is Craigslist email. Okay. And basically, you would definitely put your ad here. I already got an ad here made up. Okay. And here it is, right? So, all right. So I put on here sales opportunity, earn $1,200 a day. Your headline has to be compelling to get the person to open a email. So when you're sending email, and this is email marketing, when you're sending email, the main goal is to have something that makes the actual reader curious to what is exactly inside the email. Okay. So I put on here sales opportunity, earn $1,200 a day. Okay. Now he's going to open it. Okay. Just because, he's into sales, right? It's an opportunity. It's what he's been looking for. And it says earn $1,200 a day. Okay. And it says, hey, I saw you were looking for a commission-based opportunity. I've got an opportunity that I would like for you to take a look at. Feel free to contact me at 312-485-8790 or at www blah, 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 right? And I'll send it off to him now. Okay. And there you go. He has it. Okay. Now,